Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to auto-assign roles to new users in Discord servers. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. Step 1. Create a new role. Go to Discord and select the server where you want to create the role. Click on Roles in the server settings. Click on the Create Role button. Name the role New Guy or any name you prefer. Select the View Channels permission and click on Save Changes. Step 2. Connect card.gg bot. Go to card.gg and click on the Login with Discord button. Authorize card.gg to access your Discord account. Select the server where you want to use the bot and click on Continue. Skip the tutorial if you don't want to see it. Step 3. Set up auto roles. Back in Discord and click on the server where you added the bot. Go to Roles and find the card.gg bot. Drag the card.gg bot to the top of the role list. Click on the Permissions tab for the card.gg bot. Enable the Manage Channels and Manage Roles permissions. Click on Save Changes. Step 4. Configure Auto Role Assignment. Go back to card.gg and click on Auto Roles in the left sidebar. Select the New Guy role you created earlier. Click on Save Changes. Step 5. Test Auto Role Assignment. Join the server as a guest using a different account. Check the roles of the guest account. You should see that they have been automatically assigned the New Guy role. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.